Welcome! In front of me I have Nintendo Switch 2 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the 120 Hz refresh rate on this console. For the 120 Hz refresh rate to work, you will need to have a couple of things. First, you will need to have a game that supports the 120 FPS, and I don't think there is many, if there is any at all at the moment, but hopefully they will provide that later on in the life cycle of the console. Another thing you will need to have, or rather you will need to change, is to enable it in the settings. So, find the settings icon on the home screen, tap on it, then scroll through the menu and look for the display option. Once you find it, tap on it, and here scroll down and look for the 120 Hz output option. And this option needs to be enabled for the 200 FPS or 120 FPS or 120 Hz to work. And as you can see, it only supports the 1080p resolution and 1440p resolution. So if you're having problems with it not working, you could scroll up, check the resolution, and here you can check if the resolution is correct. You're looking for the 1080p or the 1440p. Right now it's on automatic and I can't change it because I don't think you can change it if it's not plugged into the TV or the monitor, but make sure that the resolution is correct and hopefully that will make it work. And of course, once you're done, you can press the home button to go back to home screen, and that's how you enable the 120 Hz refresh rate on this console. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.